As far as flu is concerned, especially when we looked at data from H1N1, the swine flu data, pregnant women were at the highest risk of getting more severe disease. And this was discussed not only here, but even in various groups, including the WHO, the Scientific Advisory Group of Experts, which were looking at prioritizing vaccination even for low and middle income countries. And what was really sort of the data suggested that pregnant women should be actually on top of the list to get vaccinated for two reasons. One is, of course, the higher mortality, but the fact that it gave a triple protection. It protected the mother, it also protected the fetus from stillbirth or abortion, and it gave antibodies which crossed the placenta to the fetus, and therefore the newborn also had some protection which was there for at least 6 months. So it was giving a triple protection, and that is why the criteria changed, and all international bodies, including the Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecologists, recommended the flu shot. Now, when we are looking at data, so in the early days, it was felt that pregnancy is not a risk factor as far as COVID-19 is concerned compared to H1N1. But now there is some data emerging that pregnancy is also one factor which is associated with risk to the fetus. And therefore, people have started advocating that we should do a risk benefit analysis and also consider giving the vaccine to pregnant women. Remember, we will never have a large database or large trials on pregnant women to be able to really say definitely that this is safe. We will need, it will take a much longer period of time. And therefore, looking at whatever data we have and the fact that it seems to be safe and the risk benefit analysis does suggest that the benefit is much more than the minor risk that there may be, I think gradually guidelines will change and pregnant women will also come into the criteria. That includes even mothers who are breastfeeding. My own feeling is that we have to critically look at this and include them also in the criteria to be vaccinated.